I'm about to go get lit, huh?
Don't do it here. This is
It's about to collapse.
not as sturdy as the roof.
No, it is sturdy. Show how sturdy it is. Yeah. Yeah. Show how sturdy it is. Yes. Him and you. You don't know what sturdy means. What is that? Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're back for another video. Today we are going to be doing the rotors. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so look. We have the monkey wrench racing. I forgot which ones. I think these were the QCP, some shit like that. But we have the rears. I previously did the fronts a couple months ago. And the fronts are just OEM ones. But I couldn't get any of the OEM ones again. So you see that? Those look pretty new. So I had to go with something else for the rears. And got the brake cleaner. Car's already jacked up. And then just so you know, for the rears, you have one. There's another one of these down there. Two. And then you should remove this. Gives you time to take that off. But if you were only going to do the brake pads, you can just pull this out and just slide them out. But I'm doing the whole rotor and the brake pads. You can see that lip right there. And the brake pads are pretty much fucked. Like right on that shit. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today. It's been a while since I uploaded, but hold on, give me a second. It's been a while, but we're gonna get to work on the Mr2. I am heading out to California tonight, so I don't know if I'll be taking this baby right here or something else. So I might take the Mr2 and I might go see some car meets over there and shit. But well, it all depends if I take it or not. We'll see. So let me just take these two off and then show you guys how to do the rest. All right, y'all. So this one's off. So there's this one. This is 17-inch, and then there's another one right there. But it's a bitch to get off, you know. Like, I don't know. I might need a bigger extension because I mean I got it right here, but there's no leverage. There's no like really much play to get it out. So I might need a longer extension. You don't really. Give me a second. And then you have another one right here. This one was 12-inch. It was that one. The little spring thingy. And you also have to take off. Oh, fuck. Right here. Where is it? This one right here. So this would also be 12-inch. Or I think it was 11. I don't know, but you gotta take this bitch off. So you could be able to remove all this. So yeah, I'm just having trouble taking off this 17-inch. And then once I get that off, this should come out. Hopefully it's not like seized and I have to like pry it out. But I mean, if you're lucky, this will just pop out. But we'll see how that goes right now. I'm just laid up right now. I got that out. I mean, it slid off, so thankfully that slid off. I'm gonna pull this rotor out. I'm gonna wash my hands, put in the new one, get all that brake cleaner shit. I don't want, like, my hands are dirty, so I gotta do that. But that's pretty much it, and then slap everything back on. I don't think there's a certain way to do it, but I'm just gonna replace that, put everything back on, and then we'll be good to go. And then look at this. Handy Manny got here. They say what's up to the vlog.
What's going on?
Who are you? Who are you?
My name is Manuel Palomino Ramirez.
I ain't know, bro. You gotta say his address. Look at the car, bro.
Damn.
This shit don't look right like this. Fuck.
Need to help him out. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 years of experience.
3 years. He's a certified YouTube mechanic right here. But yeah, got this whole out. So I'll show you guys that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Felt like I was getting my back blown out. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands, slap these hoes on, and then you guys will see. Hey guys, finished these earlier. I just got back, took a shower and everything. Took it out for a drive. The only issue we had was the rears on this right side. The hardware was missing, but we got that all sorted out. So, I mean, car drives fine. Just put everything back. So I just got ready, got all my stuff ready, loaded up, and gonna go pick up a few more things.
What's going on, YouTube gang?
What you got going on? What you got going
We're here
on?
another day, another wrap install, full color change.
What color is this? What color is this?
It's Paradox.
Your face.
Paradox Polar Light color change or some bullshit like that.
Sapphire what? Sapphire
It's
what?
alright. It's my first color change car, so
What about mine?
yours is not color change. Yours
Alright.
is like a gray with like a metallic in it.
Hey, I'm gonna insert the pick a scoop.
Bro. I'm just chilling,
Chilling doing what?
Just chilling. Whenever you need to help, we'll help him.
All right, what about you, Manny? What you doing?
Watching these beat the fuck out of each other.
Oh, okay. What's going on here? Hey, UFC sponsor me.
I'm like that bitch out too.
That's how you fight, huh? Okay.
That's how I be fighting my demons on it.
All right, y'all. Oh shit. We got fake carbon fiber. All right, my bad. Real carbon fiber on this. And like that, Manny.
You said it.
My carbon fiber real. Go feel it. I'm him. But it's a good day to be what?